Hey parents, my name is Brian Smith. I teach kindergarten, and I'm also the parent of a child who uses Scholastic Book Clubs. We all agree on the importance of getting kids into the reading habit. Well, did you know there's an easy way for you to order the best books for your child and it's at your fingertips? Today I'll show you, in a few quick steps, how to get started with Scholastic Book Clubs. First, go to scholastic.com/bookclubs and click the orange Get Started button. Now, let's pretend your child is in my class. Here's how you would find me. If you already have the class code, you can enter it in the field below. This way, your child's orders will automatically get to the right classroom. If you don't have the class code, then you can search by zip code or by city and state. Let's enter the zip code. Click on the school. Select the teacher's name from the drop-down menu. Here I am. Click Next. Confirm the information is correct and click Create Account. Then, just fill in your information. Add your child's info, and you're all set. Click Get Started, and you'll go to our class homepage. Here's a note from the teacher, and here's the class order due date. Please make sure to submit your book order by this date. If you have a paper flyer, you can enter the item numbers for the books you want here. Or you can shop by grade, by collection, or even browse the digital flyers. Ready to check out? Let's review your cart. If you have a coupon, you can enter the code here. If everything looks okay, proceed to checkout. Enter your payment method and billing info. Continue checkout, and you're done. Your order will be included in the class order, and all the books will be delivered right to the classroom for your child to take home. Thanks for watching, and please check out the other tutorials on how to get the most out of Scholastic Book Clubs.